Hello, my name is Agna, and welcome to ISO SAE 21434 Clause 14 Overview, which talks about end of cybersecurity support and decommissioning. Let's go ahead and take a look at Clause 14 Overview. There's quite a lot of information under scope which we must consider closely. So, decommissioning is different from end of cybersecurity support. An organization can end cybersecurity support for an item or component, but that item or component can still function as designed in the field. Both decommissioning and end of cybersecurity support can present cybersecurity implications, but those implications are considered separately. Decommissioning can occur without the organization's knowledge and in such a way that decommissioning procedures cannot be enforced. Therefore, the act of decommissioning is out of scope of this document. End of cybersecurity support and decommissioning are considered in the concept and product development phases. Now, under objectives, it is mentioned that we have to communicate the end of cybersecurity support and enable decommissioning of items and components with regard to cybersecurity. Under main activities, we have two, which are end of cybersecurity support and decommissioning. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the key concepts. Now, if you pay attention to this image, you will see that Clause 14 is the final step in the post-development phases. So Clause 14 all in all has two provisions and only one work product, which is procedures to communicate the end of cybersecurity support resulting from requirement 1. Now let's move on to provisions and work product. So as previously discussed, we have one work product and here we have one requirement, which states create a procedure to communicate to customers when an organization decides to end cybersecurity support for an item or component. Then we have requirement number 2, which states make cybersecurity requirements for post-development with regard to decommissioning available. And here we have no work product. For more in-depth information about these requirements, proceed to the following sections in deep dive. Thank you.
If you are not yet on VSEC, please go to vsec.blockharbor.io. Not only will you find more automotive cybersecurity training content, but there's also real vehicle test benches you can access remotely, automotive cybersecurity capture the flag challenges, automated testing tools, and more. Thank you for your time.